Let's be real for a second. What if you didn't have to trade your time for money? What if your home wasn't chosen because it's close to your job, but because it's where you actually want to live? That's the life I'm setting out to build. For years, I felt stuck in this loop of barely covering my expenses. But today, I've decided to grab the wheel. This video marks day one of my financial freedom journey, and I want to share the personal reasons behind this decision, where I'm starting from, and the exact steps I'm taking right now. There wasn't a dramatic moment that changed everything. No big aha scene. It was more like a slow, constant hum of anxiety that money problems create. It was checking my bank account before deciding what to eat for dinner. It was feeling that dread when an unexpected bill shows up, knowing it could ruin my entire month. Financial stress is heavy. It affects your sleep, your mood, your relationships. It follows you everywhere. And eventually, I got tired of living like that. But the real tipping point came from one simple question. Is this really it? Is my life supposed to be a cycle of working just to pay bills for a life I'm not even sure I chose? And the more I thought about it, the more I realized how fragile job security really is. I've seen people lose their income overnight, and depending on one paycheck suddenly felt like the riskiest plan of all. What I really want is freedom. The freedom to live anywhere, a busy city, a small village, or somewhere peaceful by the water. The freedom to work on projects I actually care about. The freedom to stop worrying about money every day. I want peace of mind, control, and the confidence to handle whatever life throws at me. And that journey starts today. So let me be completely honest about where I'm starting. Right now, I feel chained to my job and to the city I live in. My savings are, let's say, minimal. I have some debt that feels like an anchor. Every month is a balancing act. And I'm not broke, but I'm one unexpected car repair away from it. I haven't been tracking my spending. Money comes in, and somehow it disappears. And the biggest problem? I only have one source of income, one paycheck, one point of failure. My mindset has been stuck in get-by mode instead of get-ahead mode. Sharing this is uncomfortable, but it's real, and you can't change what you refuse to face. If you're in a similar place, you know exactly what that feels like. Now, wishing for financial freedom isn't enough. You need a plan. So here's what I'm doing immediately. First, I'm creating a pay-yourself-first budget. For the next 30 days, I'm tracking every single euro, every purchase, every bill, everything. Not to judge myself, but to understand myself. Because once I know where my money is going, I can take control of it. I can cut the waste and start redirecting that money towards savings and debt. Second, I'm building a starter emergency fund. Right now, my safety net is zero. If something goes wrong, I'm done. So even a small emergency fund will be a huge win. It's the first step toward reducing stress and gaining confidence. And third, I'm creating multiple streams of income. I'm done relying on a single paycheck. I'm going to start building skills and side hustles that match my interests, things I enjoy, and things that can grow into reliable income sources over time. This isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building a stronger, more resilient financial life. This is day one. I don't have everything figured out. I'll make mistakes and I'll learn along the way. But for the first time in a long time, I feel like I'm actually in control. This channel is going to be my public journal for everything. The wins, the setbacks, the lessons. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed by money or dream of having more freedom in your life, then you're in the right place. So join me, subscribe, be part of this community, and let's grow together. Now I want to hear from you. What does financial freedom mean to you? And what's one small step you could take today to start your own journey? Because this is just the beginning for both of us.